Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you 3 recipes of white radish or mooli in Hindi. Mooli is a root vegetable and it is grown and consumed throughout the world. They are available in numerous varieties in size, flavor and color. As regarding white radish contribution to weight loss, yes, it does, as it contains a lot of water and they are high in fiber and high in roughage, and it satisfies your hunger without increasing your calorie count. Wash and clean the white radish, cut off the stem and leaves, scrape the outer part. Leaves of the radish are also edible. I use the stem as well as the leaves. However, the leaves have a slightly bitter taste. Grate the white radish. Take a pan, pour in some oil, splatter mustard seeds, white lentil or urdu dal. After that goes in the leaves and the stem of the white radish, which is cut and kept. A little turmeric powder and salt to taste. Then add the grated white radish. Stir well. Does not require much time to cook. Once it is done, add grated coconut. 1 spoon of grated coconut. Yes, and the grated white radish recipe is ready. This is another version of the dry recipe where I had cut radish instead of grating it. White radish salad recipe. Grate white radish, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili cut. Add salt. Mix it together. Add 1 spoon of curd. Mix it again. Salad is ready. We are going in for the third recipe, that is white radish paratha or mooli paratha. Ingredients are chili powder, turmeric powder, 1 green chili cut, grated white radish and salt to taste. Mix it together. After mixing all the ingredients, take radish little by little, squeeze out the water, and this water we will be using for making dough. Take a cup of wheat powder to make dough. Slowly add this water. Make a nice dough. Take a small ball of the dough. Flatten it. Add radish stuffing and again flatten it. Keep a tawa for frying. Tawa should be well greased one. Cook both sides of the paratha. You may add butter as per your choice. Enjoy the white radish paratha. It goes well along with curd, or you can have it as it is. Thanks for watching and bye.